Python check if value is in a list of dicts. I have a list of dicts e.g. I'd like to check to see if a string value is the same as the name value in any of the dicts in the list. For example, Harold would be false, but George would be true. I realize I could do this by looping through each item in the list, but I was wondering if there was a more efficient way.
No, there cannot be a more efficient way if you have just this list of dicts. However, if you want to check frequently, you can extract a dictionary with name age items. Now you have D. And now you can check. It will be much faster than iterating over the original list.
I think a list comprehension would do the trick here too. Then use it like so. Or a one-liner, if it's only one check.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.